Hello everyone, welcome back to Skill World. Today in this tutorial, we are going to explore how to scroll into view using Selenium. This is especially helpful when you have elements that are not visible on the screen and need to be scrolled into view before interacting with them. I will show you how easy it to use JavaScript in Selenium to scroll and make elements visible. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the clicking submit button by using action class. So let's begin. Create a new Python file. Right click on this Python project new and then click on Python file. Enter the file name here, handling underscore scroll, and then click on Python file. Now import the WebDriver and then navigate to the URL. Import WebDriver and then URL is equal to enter the URL here and then navigate to the URL by using driver.get URL. Enter the URL here. As you can view in this registration form, after filling this name, email, and selecting this radio button, you need to perform the scroll. And then you can click on this login button. So copy this URL and paste here. First locate this element. Element is equal to driver dot find element by dot. Here multiple locators are available. You can look at by ID, names, selector, tag name, XPath, then text, class name, partial name. These are the locators. You can locate this element login button by using this locator. So right click on this login button and then click on inspect. Here ID and name both are not available. You can locate this element by relative XPath and absolute XPath. Click on selector hub. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the adding this extension, which is selector hub, and how you can use this selector hub extension. So copy this relative XPath and paste here dot XPath. Enter the XPath here and then perform the click element dot click. Let's add some weight after navigating to this URL. 5 seconds. In this scenario, we'll get some error because here we need to add the scroll and then we can click on this login button, navigating to this URL. Here scroll is not working and we get some error. Element click interacted element is not clickable at point. So we can resolve this issue by using driver.execute script and arguments 0 dot scroll into view, and then we need to scroll into this element here. Let's add some weight after clicking on this login button. First navigate to this URL and wait for 5 seconds and then locate this element, which is login button, and after locating this element, it will perform the scroll into this element, which is login, and then perform the click action. add some wait here, time dot select 5 seconds wait here. Let's say add some wait here after scrolling to the element time dot select 3 seconds. Let's run this script. Right click and then click on this run handling scroll. Chrome driver is opening and wait. First it will maximize the window and wait for 5 seconds and then scroll and then click on button. This field is highlighted because this is the required fields. That it's for today tutorial. In this tutorial I show you how to simple and effectively way to handle elements that are off screen. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to SQL for more Selenium tutorials. Thanks for watching.